Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and today I'm going to give a quick and dirty dry brush tutorial. I absolutely love dry brushing. This has really helped encourage my lymphatic drainage. This has really helped smooth my skin and really just helped me relax. What I'm going to show you here to do today is just dry brushing our legs. One of my favorite areas, because I don't know about you, I have some, areas I would like to smooth out, kind of thinking about that cellulite, and this is something that's helped my legs, since if you follow along, I do have bigger legs, and that's one reason why I like to dry brush. Now, first things first, we need to have a quality dry brush. Back in the day, I would try so many dry brushes from Amazon. No go. We do not want the dry brush to be like scratching our skin off. So this dry brush that I have is a body dry brush, and this is from Millie Wellness. So I'm going to link everything up below. And then also we have another missing piece, is prepping our lymph nodes to help encourage that lymphatic drainage. I have a free guide. I'll link that up below so you know exactly how to do that, and there's no confusion. First, the most common misstep, prepping our lymph nodes. This is going to help encourage lymphatic drainage. I have a free prep your lymph node guide in the description, or you can comment prep and I'll link it to you. First area to prep is behind our collarbone or clavicle area. I'm going to take my middle finger and ring finger and lightly pump downwards. The next area to prep is going to be above the belly button and below the apex of the ribs. I'm going to take my middle finger and ring finger and pump gently upwards. The second to last area I'm going to prep is going to be my groin area. I take my middle finger and ring finger and pump upwards 5 to 20 times. The last area is super important for the lower leg area. I'm going to go behind my knee and pump gently upwards 5 to 20 times. Now I'm ready to dry brush my legs. The main dry brush pattern is I'm going to start closest to the trunk and work my way out. So I start at the upper quadrant of my leg closest to my glute area, and I'm dry brushing upwards in short, light strokes. I start closest to my trunk because this is going to help clear the way for lymphatic drainage in the lower part of my leg. You can see I'm working the upper quadrant of my leg from the glutes to the front of the thigh, to the side of the leg, and the inside of the leg. Then I'm going to gradually move down closer to the knee while dry brushing upwards in short, light strokes. I love this body dry brush that I'm using here because it does not scratch my skin. We do want our dry brush to be kind of abrasive to help with that lymphatic drainage, but definitely not hurt. The one I use is linked up below. For the thigh area, I like to work on my problem areas a little bit more. I tend to have some cellulite. It's going to be my outer leg and under my glute area. Another thing that is unique to dry brushing is I'm able to dry brush around my joints, which really feels good. Then I'm going to start moving down to the lower leg, dry brushing upwards in short, light strokes. The goal here is to dry brush towards the back of the knee because that's where the lymph node clusters are. Then I'm going to keep working my way downwards towards the foot, and we can even dry brush the foot area. After I'm done with my lower leg, I'm going to start working my way all the way up to finish the dry brush series. So I'm just going to start down at the lower leg, work my way up to the upper thigh and into that groin area where the lymph node clusters are there. I have the dry brush I use linked up below from Millie Wellness, as well as my free Prep Your Lymph Node guide. And the last thing I tend to do is finish off on the outer side of my thigh doing circular dry brush motions because that is a problem area that I have. And that is how I like to dry brush my legs 3 to 4 times a week to encourage lymphatic flow and to smooth the skin. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.